Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to remove your iPhone unavailable problem. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified more informative videos. Guys, if you have forgotten your phone passcode and your phone is stuck on iPhone unavailable due to again and again entering wrong password, then don't worry, I am giving you the solution. To fix this problem, you will need another iPhone or Android phone. In my case, I'm using my Android phone. First of all, you have to open your phone browser. Type here iCloud.com. Click on iCloud. It will show a screen like that. Click on sign in. Guys, please make sure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone which is stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I am signing here the same Apple ID that is signed in by this phone. So here is the list of your phones, your devices that are logged in with the same Apple ID. Click on your device. Click on Erase iPhone. Click on Continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. It is asking for two-factor authentication. Please put here verification code. It is optional, you do not need to put anything here. Simply click on Next. Simply click on Done. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, your phone has started erasing. Now you can remove from this account. It will help you while set up this phone. Enter the Apple ID password here. Guys, guys, I have removed from this account, so further there is no need of this phone. Wait for a few seconds until your erasing completed. So here we are. Your phone has erased completely. Now let me set up this phone. Simply select your language, select your region or country. Connect your device with the Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Guys, I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. Your phone has restarted. Your phone has erased completely. Now it is able to use. It is unlocked. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you for watching the video.